Welcome back to my channel. I did some things off camera because I started vlogging, but the YouTube decided to delete what I started to vlog when I paused the vlog because I had to ask someone a question. Anyways, we're making clicky slime. We got blue food coloring and some white glue already in there because of the delete. I don't know why it's deleted, but when I paused the video, it just deleted. So, just starting the video saying this, so, yeah. Oh, that's like a really nice blue. That's a really nice blue, though. Yeah. 1 minute, I gotta get this done. Down, I meant. Today we're not doing shaving cream. Anyways, I added a little bit of white glue in here. A little more because I wanted it a little lighter. So let's mix in the glue. Not that much more because, well, it's already like a good color. So I only added a little more. And it's going to be a big slime if I add a lot more. I'm going to add a little more. Sorry about the background noise. My dad is down here. So, we're going to add some more glue. Even though, like, it's a really big slime so far, we're adding some more glue so it's lighter. Because that first little bit of extra glue is only a little bit. And I thought I was going to make it a little lighter. But no. So, we added some more glue. That worked. It made it like a nicer color. I know it looks darker on your screen. It might actually still be the same color. I just like this color. But it's not the same color. I just feel like it's not. 2 little pumps of lotion to make it extra clicky. Click, 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 clicky. Okay, time for Staplo. I don't know how to pronounce it for you guys, so like, just saying random things that it sounds like. Ooh! Last time we added a lot of activator, the slime turned out really well. And this is a little bit of a lot. So I'm bad at pouring. It's not the Staplo's fault. I'm just bad at pouring things. So it's my fault technically. I have to keep the spoon in it because I forgot the napkin. And I'm not going to walk with this in my hand. Or this on my hands. I know it's like not that activated right now. It takes a little bit. Exactly. Just takes some playing with. That's like all activated. It's not sticky at all. No. It's somewhat sticky, but still it takes some playing with. But I feel like other activators, it takes like so much playing, like so much mixing and so much playing with, and so much mixing and so much playing with. So it's like a lot to do with other activators, I feel like, for me. So I recommend Staplo. If you're ever gonna make slime. I know I said that once, but I gotta say that twice. I love to do these videos. I know it's not, like, I know it's becoming like a whole entire slime channel, but I promise I will be doing more videos. These past few weeks have been a little hard for me to film and stuff. It's been really loud in my house this past few weeks. Don't know why. Also, it's been like really snowy and like the internet has gone and off and on and off and on where I live. you guys do not know where I live, like what area, I live in Crystal Lake, and that's all I'm going to tell you is I live in Crystal Lake. So, it's like, right now, really, tomorrow it's going to be really snowy. It's so snowy where I live, because it's still winter, but still. 2021 is like a really good year. Wanna know why? Because I'm becoming a slime channel. Like, I finally know what my channel's all about. Slime. Yes, once I run out of glue and such, which is going to be a while, I will start to make my normal videos. And don't disfollow me for that. I do really love to make videos, but these past few days I've just wanted to make slime on my channel. So you guys know that some days it's going to be like this. And a lot of days I try to not to just make slime, but like I'm so tempted because it's like on my table ready for me to make it at night. Because I make these ones at night, and then in the mornings I'm going to try from 1 to 12. I'm going to make like random videos. Well, not 1 to 12, but like 12 to 1. What do I mean? So 12 to 1, I will be doing like a certain kind of video, and then 1 to 2, I will be doing another kind of video. Yeah, it's just random. I don't know. But I'm not going to do like hour-long videos because I don't even know if you can at this point. I'm not that good of a YouTuber, as you can tell. I'm gonna not pause this because I don't want to get my camera messed up. But I'm gonna go put this over there. You guys can watch my lizard. And I'm having a fun time listening closely to all my YouTubers there in my world. Oh yeah. This one I feel like we added too much glue and not enough stuff. If you go fast, it like comes right off. We're gonna add. I know that in the beginning I added a lot. I'm trying not to add too much, but I feel like it doesn't take a lot. It depends on how much glue. And today we did a pretty gluey slime. No shaving cream, just glue and food color and some lotion, but that's it. Hey, there we go. There's my slime. Just took a little more stuff. Oh, stick up. Still have a lot more stick over now. I'm trying not to get my table a mess. This is not my table. This is a very gluey slime. What can I say, but it's gonna need a lot of stick glue. Oh, that reminds me of the song from Moana. My little young friend's favorite movie is Moana, besides like Home Alone. She loves Moana. And there's a song in there like, hey, it's okay, you're welcome. What can I say except you're welcome? So. That's what you guys were here for, right? No, I'm pretty sure some of you guys were here for me to just be here. Whoa, are you okay? Sorry, my dad got a little coffee. No, we don't have COVID. That's just what he does. He coughs. So does my brother. No, it didn't start when COVID started. It just, a lot of men are like that when they're like older. You know what I mean? Or they did like smoked and stuff like that in their past. Or still. Which don't do. Don't smoke, kids. Please don't. Like, don't do anything that could damage anything of any part of your body, anything. And yeah. Saw this on YouTube. Oh, what? What? Sorry, I say random things when I'm sort of to myself. I'm just, when I'm really, like, when I'm distracted with my hands, I just say random things like, whoa, what is that? Like, literally, what is that? Oh, that's a fly. It's not making any noise. There's a fly in my house that's not even buzzing. Usually flies go like bzz, 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 bzz. Sorry, that's not a very good sound, but yes, in my house they make that noise. Make like a buzzing sound. Yes, they get that loud. No, there's not bees in my house. Honestly, if there were bees in my house, I wouldn't be able to live in my house because I'm allergic to pollen and bees collect pollen. Which if there was bees in my house, then there would be pollen in my house. And if there's pollen in my house, my allergic reactions would be happening. Mary, do not kick her there. Sorry, my dogs. My kid and her and her. Ignore what I said there. And her aunt were sort of fighting. Everyone and their aunt do that, right? No, I don't do that with my aunts. My aunts are actually really nice. Even the ones from my dad's side. And my mom's side. Like, all my aunts are really nice. Gosh. Even the ones that have passed on my dad's side. My mom's side has no past aunts of mine. Which is surprising. Because my mom's older than my dad. No, my dad's older than my mom. And my mom's family is younger than my dad's family. Which doesn't make sense, but it's okay. It's okay if it doesn't make sense. Don't even know that from a song. I just talk a lot. Yeah. Talk a lot. Yeah. What is going on with me? I don't know. I guess I'm in the really singing mood. Also, today I wore a dress that my sister would have worn. Like, I would show you a picture, but I don't have another phone to show you guys with it. You phone that I'm vlogging on is the only phones that I have to show you the picture of what I looks like with that dress on, but with a dress on that my sister would wear, because my sister likes flowers, but she likes like black dresses. So it was a black dress with flowers on it. No, I'm not going to tell you her name because I don't know if she wants her name on YouTube. That was nice slime. No. Yeah. Guys. Whoa! Whoa, look how big that is. That was a bigger. It's fun. Guys, did you not see how big that was? I know, I'm just picking it up. Ready? Yeah, I promise I had no shaving cream in here. No shaving cream. Is this good of slime? Well, you did it again. Oh, guys. Wow. Oh, that would have been the perfect bubble if we caught that on camera. Still nice. Listen to the mouse. Sound. Noise. Sound. I put it down too fast. The key to making the perfect slime bubble is going slow when you put it down. Like that. And then pick it up.
Alexis.
Sorry, my dad needs me. Whoa! I did that off camera. That's crazy. That was crazy.
Let's go.
Sorry, I have to do something really fast. But really fast, let me finish the day by saying bye, diamonds, or bye, slime time. Bye, slime time, diamonds. Bye, diamonds. Hope you have a great day, or a great night, or a great afternoon, or a great morning, or a great anything.